Typically, auto body hammers and dollies kits include several different styles of anvils and hammers to accommodate different metal fabrication needs. There are different models of auto body hammers and dollies on the market. Selecting the best auto body hammers and dollies among so many models can be difficult. That's where we can help you. You will learn authentic information about the 5 best auto body hammers and dollies in 2023 on the market in this video. Before we jump into the review, we selected only the most effective auto body hammers and dollies available on the market in 2023. We examined the factors that differentiate an auto body hammers and dollies from good to great, such as its features and capabilities. We didn't include any products that we thought didn't have enough power to carry out the tasks it was intended to do. Number 1. Performance Tool W1007DB 7-piece Auto Body Repair Kit with carbon steel hammer heads and dollies on wood handles. Performance Tool offers some of the best auto body repair tools on the market. Performance Tool is a brand that makes products that are well made and made to last. The heads and handles of the steel hammer are both very strong, so they will last for a long time. They are easy to hold and strong enough to do even the hardest jobs. Performance Tool W1007DB comes with 7 tools for fixing your car's body and keeping it looking good. This set of tools for fixing auto body damage is perfect for any busy garage, workshop, factory, or maintenance shop. It's made of strong materials. It is equipped with a 12 inches by 5 inches, 1.5 pounds steel sledgehammer, 6 inch by 1.5 inch steel dollies, 6 inch by 1.5 inch steel pry bar, 1.5 inch by 3 inch steel 5-pound bar. It is equipped with 2 hammers and 3 small dollies, as well as 3 large dollies. They are also easy to use, providing you with the ability to make quick repairs to your car's body. With the W1007DB, you can easily remove and install bumpers, dents, and rust spots. You can also use the tools to change out interior and exterior trim pieces, or to make other small repairs. Number 2. GEARWRENCH 7PC Auto Body Tool Set, Hammers and Dollies, 82302. GEARWRENCH is another best option. The 7-piece GEARWRENCH set. The auto body tool set is an excellent investment for everyone who enjoys working on their own automobiles. The surfaces of these tools have been highly polished to create a smooth finish, and the handles are fashioned out of hickory wood for solid strength. The kit comes with a durable blow mold case that can be used for storing and transporting the tools with ease. The auto body tool set offered by GEARWRENCH comes with 7 distinct auto body hand tools, including a hammer, a screwdriver, a dolly measuring 24 inches in length, and 4 other auto body hand tools. Hammerheads of 3, 6, 12, and 16 ounces are included in the package, giving you the flexibility to select the appropriate weight for the task at hand. The 7-piece set is dependable and simple to operate, making it an ideal choice. The 7-piece GEARWRENCH set consists of, when it comes to fixing cars, having a set of solid tools like the auto body tool set in your tool chest can be really helpful. Number 3. ABN Auto Body Shaping and Forming Repair 7-piece Kit, Fender Roller Fixer Dent Remover Tool Set with Hammer and Dolly. The ABN Auto Body Shaping and Forming Repair 7-piece kit is perfect for pounding out auto sheet metal before painting. It has a screw-in dent puller that can be used as a fender roller or to shape auto sheet metal with both flat and curved surfaces. To make it easy to use, just stick the screw that came with it through the threaded tip and turn it. The dent puller shaft will then be threaded into the conical tip. This tool was made by forging it and then giving it a full polish. These tools have bright red fiberglass handles that are strong and have pure black firm grip ends. They are sleek and look great in your hand, and they are easy to spot in your professional workspace. It comes with all the accessories you need. It comes with an easy-to-carry, safe-to-store, and quick-to-organize blow-molded plastic case. This tool set has a heavy shrinking hammer, a pick and finish hammer, a straight peen finishing hammer, a heel dolly, a utility dolly, a double-end dolly, and a curved dolly. Overall, this tool does what it can to make customers happy. Number 4. NEIKO 20709A Auto Body Fender-Repair Hammer and Dolly Set, Automotive-Body Repair Tools, 7-piece set. With these hammer and dolly repair tools, you can fix damage to your car's fenders and bumpers and fix dents and dings on the car's body, no matter how big or small. The hammers that come with the set are made of durable cast steel. and the fiberglass handles don't slip. They also have a soft rubber grip that makes them easy to hold and protects them from shocks. This automotive tool set includes a curved dolly, a utility dolly, a hand dolly with 2 ends, and a shrink dolly. You can use these dollies as curved surfaces for metals that are round, or you can flatten and shape sheet metal with them. This car dent repair kit has a standard bumping hammer, a pick and finish hammer, a reverse curve hammer, and 4 different kinds of dollies. It is the best kit for repairing cars and metal. The heavy-duty blow-molded storage case that comes with the portable mechanic keeps hammers and dollies in order and ready to use. The case has separate spaces for each tool and is easy to carry. Number 5. YIYITOOLS 7 PCS Auto Body Repair Tool Hammer Dolly Set, Car Body Repair Tool Kit Carbon Steel Dolly and Hammer Dent Body Fender Tool Set, YY20200064. The dolly and peen hammers are ideal for patching up dents in a car or working on DIY woodworking projects. They work well for mechanics, woodworkers, jewelers, craftsmen, plumbers, and many others. This package includes a standard bumping hammer, a pick and finish hammer, a reverse curve hammer, a curved dolly, a utility dolly, and a double-end hand dolly. It also has a shrink dolly that works well for both large and small body car dent repairs. This set of car dent repair tools is made of heat-tempered carbon steel that is strong, durable, and tough enough for daily use. It is finely polished and has a coating that keeps it from rusting so it can be used for a long time. Its tools for auto body work have rubber handles that are soft and won't slip out of your hands. The carbon steel hammers are easy to use and comfortable to hold. They also give you more control and are less likely to break when you drop them. The heavy-duty carrying case makes it easy to keep all of the carbon steel hammers and dollies in one place.